America. Together, we are powerful. We've conquered mountains, built skyscrapers, and traveled through space. And for over 100 years, American Power has made Rayovac batteries. Born and bred in the Midwest. We were in the cockpit when Lindbergh crossed the Atlantic. We were with our soldiers when they stormed the beaches of Normandy. We were in space when NASA saved a dying satellite. And we have forged ahead with persistence and ingenuity. We are where innovation and new ideas happen every day. And we'll be there for you whenever you need us most. American made, American power. Rayovac, powering America since 1906.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.